Get off me.
You're not allowed to be harassing me. Let's take a video here.
Help.
Who are you?
But get off me.
Who are you?
Get off me. Get off me.
Who are you?
Get off me before I call 911.
Call the cops. Call them. In fact, let's do it.
Get off me.
You want to call the cops?
Get off me. I'm knocking on these people's door.
You're doorbell ditching left and right. You've been doing this for how many months? Huh? Huh?
I don't know what you're talking about. Get off me.
I just caught you.
You caught me doing what?
Doorbell ditching.
You have proof?
Yep.
Really? Can you show me the proof?
Let's call the cops here.
Can you please show me the proof?
Call the police.
Like, what do you want? I've never done that.
You guys have done this for how many months, dude?
Dude, that's okay. Listen,
Huh?
man. Can you just chill, man?
Dude, I will chill. Don't do my house again.
Okay.
You guys have done it for months.
Deal.
Why have you done this before?
That's okay. That's honestly the first time. My
No.
friend told me to.
Well, who are your friends?
I don't want to give his name away.
Then give me your name.
No.
Then let's call the cops.
Dude, you can't be out here doing this.
You can't either.
You can't come up here and attack me. Have fun getting an assault.
Unified police.
Have fun getting an assault charge. Can you please leave me alone?
Hey, Jason. I'm at 3357 West Zermatt Drive. We've been doorbell ditched for months and months, and I've got a kid right here that I've caught.
Can you mention to him that you grabbed me, yanked my hood off, choked me?
Right.
I have it on video.
Yeah, I grabbed your arm. You're right.
You yanked my hood back and it horse collared
So
me.
he's being belligerent. We had caught him and his friends. So we're going down to the retention pond. He's walking down the retention pond right now. So I'm not